Good evening, this is Jeff Goldstein with TheMeasuredMove.com. It's 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tuesday. We're looking at a continuous contract of the S&P 500. The ES, this is the September contract, currently trading 1173.50, up just about $1.75 in this Globex session. And it's just about 8:30 right now. Again, Asian markets are just open. What I've done is opened this weekly chart up to illustrate just how far we've come, both now on the upside as well as on the downside. And markets, naturally will tend to retrace themselves to this 50% line, which is drawn from our lows in March 2009 at the 665.75 to the May 2011 highs of 1373. It comes in here at about 1020. Okay, and I do believe we will see this trade after having broken halfway back on a daily chart. I do believe that the market needs to find support at a previous support area and its natural 50% retracement. How are we going to get there? Well, we're going to look for, on the daily chart, areas of potential resistance to sell into. First we have, and there's going to be a few of them. Okay. First we have the swing lows of 1292. Okay. We'll call them 1291 and a half. All right, 1291 and a half. To our most recent lows. This is an extension short. Again, we're pulling from swing lows to swing lows because we're so oversold. Okay, there are no swing highs here on this daily chart to pull from. Okay, so we're at swing lows to our new swing lows at 1076 was in the Asian markets during the Asian session last night. This traded. What I do see as an area of potential resistance is the 1084 area. Okay, and front run by 2 ticks is 1183.50. This has a negative 23.6% target down at the 1025. We'll call it 1026 area. Okay, which begins to line up with our 50% retracement at 1020.50. So this is an area of resistance that may turn into a swing trade. Okay, so from a risk-reward perspective, I'm very happy to take this trade. Now, should we trade through the 1184s without much participation, I would anticipate that the market will come halfway back. And what I mean by that is we have our July, when we put this lower high in July. Okay, you see that doji here on the daily chart. This was the 1348 level. A pull to our swing lows. Okay, and we do have a 50% retracement at 12.75. 12.75. So I've just pointed out 2 areas of potential resistance. Okay, and so here's our 12.75 and our 1183.50. Okay, 1183.50. These 2 levels I'll be watching very closely. Again, I'm looking to fade 1183.50 into the gap fill to see the continuation of the trend lower. I'm also looking carefully, should we break through that level, to fade 12.12.75 into the continuation of its trend, both of which have targets down near our full weekly 50% retracement at 10.20, which I think is the area which will trade. I know that people are starting to get bullish out here because they've seen all this, what they're calling capitulation, and they're calling bottoms. They're picking the bottom. They think it's in, but it's all I see that we have right here on a daily chart is a simple retracement. Okay, we're vastly oversold, and we're coming into now its natural retracement areas, natural points of resistance to then sell into. All right, so have a great night. Enjoy your families. Look for these levels to trade around the European Open. I do not place trades, will not place trades before the European Open. Okay. I place my trades probably around 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take care, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.